Welcome to another video of Cat and Sorcery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy components within an assembly along with their associated mates. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more SolidWorks content. In this demonstration, we're working with a fan assembly, which requires adding 17 identical instances of a specific part. To accomplish this, we'll initially establish the following mates. A concentric mate between the stick and the rivet. A coincident mate connecting opposite faces of the fan sticks. Lastly, a limit angle mate spanning 0 to 7 degrees between the sticks. Manually replicating these 16 more instances would be time consuming. Let's streamline the process by employing the Copy with Mates command. The command can be accessed from the Insert Components drop-down, by right-clicking on the component that I want to copy, or simply by searching for it in the search bar. Once initiated, within this blue field, I insert the component or components that I want to copy. By clicking the arrow, another set of fields appear. As you'll notice, all three fields that appear represent the mates that I created earlier for the previous instance. Each time I click on any of these fields, the mated faces highlight purple and orange color in the viewport. This is a good indicator to know which faces to choose to mate for the new instance. We'll start by choosing the back face of the previous instance in the coincident mate. A ghosted new instance appears. This means that there are still mates to be defined. I click in the limit angle field and choose the corresponding face of the previous instance. An interesting feature is the repeat checkbox. Enabling it for concentric mate ensures that the same face is used for the rivet in all instances, reducing the need for repetitive actions. The efficiency of Copy with Mates shines when you have the option to create multiple instances in rapid succession without restarting the command. This can be done by having the pin button pressed. Once your instances are complete, simply click on the close button to finalize the process. And there you have it, a fully assembled fan, all thanks to the power of Copy with Mates. And as you can see, all components were copied, along with their associated mates. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to explore my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more SolidWorks content. See you next video!